Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing great. If you are an algo trader, there is good news and there is bad news as well. Now what SEBI is trying to do is, or what SEBI is doing is, they are preparing a framework for regulating algo trading. Now for your information, if you ask me, I am already doing algo trading. Let me tell you, it is not regulated. Algo trading in India is not regulated for retail traders. You have to understand this. Whatever algo trading platform you see in social media, or whatever algo trading platform, I don't want to name those. Whatever algo trading platform you are using now is not regulated, which means they can pull the plug anytime. They can stop this algo trading platforms anytime. Now what they are going to do is, they are going to regulate. Now there is a framework, initial framework, which they have released. We have gone through that paper, and we have decoded what they are going to do and what they are trying to do, and it is of good it is for good of retail traders. Now if you ask me what are all the changes, I'll just put it in the timeline. You can see what are all the changes. I will also try to decode, and you can understand what they are trying to do. Now in terms of regulatory framework proposal, they have given around 11 points. First is regulatory framework proposal, access to algo trading, approval and registration of algo, tagging and tracking, classification of algo, eligibility criteria for algo providers, safeguard for retail investors, responsibility of brokers, post-trade monitoring, then opportunity for brokers, and perspective for industry. So they have given 10 points. So these are all the 10 points which are very important. Now we will talk about the first thing, which is regulatory framework proposal. Now what SEBI is trying to do is, if you can understand what is algo trading, or if you know what is algo trading, you have to understand this algo tradings which are given by algo trading platform is not approved by SEBI. Now if you are an institution, or if you are a HNI, you have to understand, you will have to get approval from SEBI for algo trading. Now they have brought it to, they are bringing it to retail traders. Now whatever, let's say for example, you are doing a algo trading, or you are doing a algo system and it is working perfectly. Now what you will do is, you will go and test it in the algo trading platform, and it will give you a perspective. It will give you a result. Let's say you are doing some algo trading. Let's say you are doing a 930 straddle. It will give you a profit of 150% or 200%, right? But in reality, if you put the same strategy in the real-time market, it is not going to give you so much. And I will tell you why. Let's say for example, you are doing some strategies. What will happen is, when you deploy the strategy, sometimes stop loss will hit on the broker end, but stop loss will not hit on the algo system. You know why? Because when you go to a broker is using real-time data, but this algo traders are not using real-time data, because real-time data is super expensive. They will not be able to afford real-time data, and they cannot get real-time data also. So third-party vendor, if you are going to get if you want to get NSE real-time data, there are third-party vendors, and they are not ready to give you real-time data. That's why actually this repurposing, or this redistribution of real-time data itself is illegal. They are first, it is illegal, and they are taking it, and they are repurposing or redistributing this real-time data. That itself is illegal. So that's why I know a friend who is running an algo company, and he is kind of like, he is not getting approval at all from SEBI. There is no, SEBI has never given approval for this algo trading platform. So in that case, you have to remember, they can pull the plug anytime. Even Monday you are trading, Tuesday you will not see that algo trading platform. So it is very dangerous. in terms of algo trading for retail traders. So that is what we are trying to say. So now what is going to happen is this algo trading platform, whatever they are showing exponential profits, 150%, 200%, 300%. That is not going to happen. So what does that mean is, if you are they are kind of exaggerating, or they are kind of creating curiosity in you so that you can start trading in their platform, of course for a fees, right? So this is the first thing they want to. This is why they want to create a complete framework to safeguard. Of course, safeguard means they have they have data, and they have seen lots of algo traders lose money in this algo trading platform. Now, second thing is access to algo trading. Algo trading will only be accessible to retail traders, investors through brokers. Retail investors can use API, which is your broker is giving API provided by broker to place algo orders. So this is already in place. So if you're using algo trading platform, you have to get an API from your algo trading platform, from your broker, and your algo trading platform will execute your orders or whatever you have designed through your broker. Now this is the second point. This is of not any significance. Third is very, very important point: approval and registration of each algo, right? Now, if you algo must see, whatever algo trading you are doing or you are designing must be registered with the stock exchange, obtain explicit permission from the exchange for use. Any change to the approved algo or system must also be approved by the exchange. Now this is a very, very important point. Now let us say you are designing one algo trading strategies, right? You cannot deploy it anymore. Let us say there is lots of trading platform. You are designing one algo system. Let it be whatever strategies you are doing, let it be. Now you cannot deploy it directly. You have to get approval from SEBI. Then only you are going to deploy it. So before it was like anyone who is developing algo system, they can deploy it, they can resell it, they can remarket it, they can put it in marketplace, and they can make a chunk of money. But that is not going to happen anymore. So what they are going to do is, if you are designing an algo, you have to take it to SEBI. They will test it. They will see if this is sustainable, it is working in the long run. Then only after SEBI's approval only you can maybe remarket or resell or do it for yourself. So there are lots of things when it comes to this point. Now what is going to happen is, most of the people who are giving, or most of the companies which are giving what is that algo trading platform will be closed, because what this long procedure of getting approval from SEBI is going to be a pain in the ass, and it is going to create lot of hierarchy, and there is going to be a lot of hierarchy. So you will have to take care of this, right? You will have to remember this. And the fourth point is tagging and tracking. All algo orders will be tagged with a unique identifier provided by stock exchange to establish an audit trail. Exchange will maintain a research report for each algo and ensure post-trade monitoring of algo system. Now, once SEBI has approved your algo system, you are going to run it in NSE, or you are going to run it in BSE, or let's say any exchange. Now they are going to tag it, and they are going to monitor it on a daily basis. Now why they are doing this is because they have to make sure if this whatever algo strategies they are doing, or whatever algo strategies you are doing runs profitably, is profitable or is sustainable in the long run. So this also they are going to do. And the fifth point is classification of algo. This is also very, very important point. What they mean is classification of algos will be categorized into two parts. Now they have given two types of algo. First one is white box algo. White box algo means the logic is disclosed and replicable, and the second one is black box algo. The logic is undisclosed and not replicable. Okay, algo providers offering black box algo must be registered as research analyst. So you have to understand this. So let me tell you what is white box algo first. White box algo means algo is disclosed. You know what is the strategy, you know what are all the things they are going to do in terms of strategy, in terms of adjustment or anything. So this is disclosed, and even let's say someone else can also replicate it, but there is second one which is black box algo. So what does that black box algo means is that nobody knows what is the logic, it is not disclosed, no one will know what really the strategies are, no, what are all the adjustment, so on and so forth. But when you are a black box algo provider, you will have to be registered with the SEBI as a research analyst. So this is the sixth point, and this is very important point, right? And fifth point. Sixth point is there are going to be eligibility criteria for algo traders. Algo providers must go on with stock exchange, must follow the rules of stock exchange and follow the rules of SEBI to meet eligibility criteria specified by the exchanges. So this also we don't know what type of rules they are going to bring, what type of regulations they are going to bring. We will have to wait and see. So the sixth point is also not relevant as of now, but we will have to wait and see. So this is the first phase. Maybe second phase, third phase, they will tighten this algo trading. Seventh is safeguards for retail investor. Retail investor will only access pre-approved algos. This is very important. Retail investors will only access pre-approved algos from registered providers through brokers. Approved algos can also be used by investors, family members, including spouse, dependent, children, and parents, right? So this is the seventh thing. Now what does this mean is, if you have to first get approval from SEBI, right? Once this algo is ready, once this algo is approved, only family members can use this one. Maybe your spouse, maybe your brothers, maybe your son, or maybe your grandchildren, or maybe your parents can only use this algo system, right? Your friends cannot use this algo system. You cannot redistribute this algo system. And what is going to happen is, these algo traders, whatever algo traders or whatever algo trading platform are there in the market, are going to lose market share or will have to close their business, is what this means, right? And eighth point is responsibility of brokers. Brokers will act as principal and ensure proper distinction between algo and non-algo traders. Compliance with the regulatory framework. Broker must have the ability to monitor, kill, or halt order from a particular algo ID if required. So this is a system requirement for brokers. Brokers have to monitor it. If required, they will have to stop it. They will have to, of course, they are going to have a RMS system. This RMS system will monitor what the algo is doing. If it is running correctly, it is into big loss. Of course, RMS system is very strong. Every broker has a RMS system. If you don't know what is RMS system is called risk management system, which will monitor your orders, right? And the next point is post-trade monitoring. Exchanges will conduct post-trade monitoring, including setting up standard operating procedures or SOPs for testing algos, reviewing and ensuring safeguards are in place for algo orders. So this is also very, very important. Brokers will do the SOP, standard operating procedure, that we will have to wait and see what are all the standard operating procedures they are going to bring, what are all the things we have to do, and so on and so forth. Now, what is this going to happen, or where this will end up is 10th point. That is the 10th point. It is going to be a great opportunity for brokers, right? The framework will present opportunity for stockbrokers to expand their customer base, operate within a regulated environment. This development is expected to meet the increasing demand for algo trading among retail investors. Now, I'll tell you, when this is the 10th point. Now now your broker is giving API to all algos, right? I don't want to name them. They are giving access to all the algo systems. Now if SEBI wants, they can catch them and they can find them. This is the reality. But even though this is a black and gray, right? Our market is like this, or India is like this. So they are not considering, or they are not trying to push brokers. But if they think that this is not fair enough, or people are losing money, of course people are losing money in algo trading. I have seen people showing marketing algo tradings in their website and so on and so forth. I have also done algo trading. I have also promoted algo traders, but I have stopped doing that because we thought that is not relevant and that will not make money in the market. Now, what is going to happen is most of the retail traders business will shift to brokers, right? So that is what is going to happen. And the last point is perspective for the industry is, as I told you, more opportunity for broker to grow in a secure and regulated manner, and safeguarding investor sentiment, right? Investors' interest. Now, all this is going to happen. So what we feel is, or what the conclusion is, most of the algo trading platform which are existing or which are existent now will have to close their business, because they are running maybe 100 or 150 trading algo system which is not relevant. Some, like, they are exaggerating the profits and showing that even a small strategy, or even a simple strategy is giving you big profit. It is not going to happen anymore. You are having an algo system, you will have to get approval from SEBI. SEBI will have to run it, approve it, then you go to NSE via your broker, then only you are going to get this algo system running in your trading account, right? And once you are approved and once you have started trading, only your dependents are going to be able to access this algo. And if you want to market this algo system, you will have to be a black box algo provider, which is that you will have to get a research analyst license, right? So if you are an algo trader, if you are doing algo, this is the bad news for you. The good news is, people, it will be regulated. It will only algo systems which are proving good potential will be there, and altu faltu algos will be out of the market, is what this SEBI paper is saying, or what this SEBI framework is saying. As I told you, this is only the start. Maybe we will have to see what is going to happen going forward. We will have to wait and see. I hope you find this video very useful. I'll see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.